Welcome to the channel Rekhanyas. We are drawing cartoon characters. Today we are drawing a very funny and very naughty cartoon character, Stitch. So let's go and start our drawing with the head. This is the basic shape of the character's head, and here I am extending the line to draw the ears. Same thing I will repeat here also, and the head structure will be ready like this way. Yes, it is ready now. Now I will take his head as a unit and I will measure the size and I'll mark it. Here I will draw the body of Stitch. Here I want to mention one thing. Stitch is more than 2-head character. One head plus another head. So up to his stomach it is 2 head. As the head is tilted right side, so body will be like this. It will create a good balance to his gesture, so the character also will look alive, not static. Now, after the body, we'll draw hands and legs. Here we will just draw the simple shapes of hands and leg. We'll do the detailing later on. Even for the fingers also, I'm just drawing a circle. Now let's complete the face first, defining the center point of the face to draw the nose. Now for the eyes, I am drawing the curve. Stitch has big eyes. Now draw the eyeballs. Stitch's eyeballs are not exactly in circle, a little bit pointed towards the nose, like this. Let's draw the nose properly. These are the wrinkles. Now let's create the magic with pencil. Isn't it looking alive now? Yes. Let's draw the mouth now. It's a big wide mouth. Now it's time to draw the tongue. Stitch has 4 visible teeth. One by one we will draw them. The little bunch of hair. Time to draw the cut shape of the ears. The cut shape is not exactly same in the both the side. It is towards down in the left ear. In the right ear it is towards upward, and in the left ear it is towards down. So you have to remember that. quickly remove the unnecessary lines. Our face is almost completed. We will just clean them up. Now start drawing the hands. Now we will define the fingers properly. Like most of the cartoon character, Stitch also has 4 fingers. Stitch's fingers are rounded in shape and it has very sharp and big nails. One by one we will draw them. Same thing we will repeat for the left hand. Here I want to mention one thing. The evil mind of Stitch is visible through his big sharp nails and teeth. The character designer has designed him such a way it is a rare combination of cuteness and devilness together. Defining the shape of the body, gradually we will go down and we will draw the legs as well. He has very short legs and circular toes. There are 3 toes in each leg and those are also in circular shape. Circular dark nails are there in each toes. In left leg we can see 3 toes are visible, but in right leg it is just 2 toes are visible. We'll draw them. Now we will draw the front part of the chest. The naughty smile. The color of the nails in the hand are also dark. When we recolor the character, that time you can see the color of the nose and the nails are same. Let's create the depth of the mouth. Our character is almost ready. Yes, the drawing is completed. Now you can draw Stitch easily. Now we will go to the coloring part. For coloring, we have taken this cute pose. We will color from the up towards down gradually. Very neatly and gently we will color the whole Stitch character. Inside the ears, we are putting purple color. Friends, in case of coloring, you may feel sometimes with a single pencil you can't get the proper color of your character. That time you have to mix 2 or 3 colors, and by that you can get the proper shade of your character. You see, I am also doing the same thing to get the exact color of the ears. Now take blue color and color the biggest shape of the body. Always try to give a single direction lines to color your character. It will give a very good and neat finish for your character coloring. Now I'll apply a different shade of blue to get my exact color. For that I am mixing these two colors together and getting the body color. Now for the eyes I am using sky blue color. Have you ever noticed how many shades of blues we are using to color our character? Let's color the left eye. Every time we have to color gently and steadily. Now time to color the nose. The tongue with a very light pink. The same cobalt blue we are using for the nails, and one by one we will color them. Time to color the toes, and with the coloring of the toes we are at the ending of our coloring process. Yes, our coloring is done. By his gesture only you can understand how naughty our Stitch character is. I hope you have enjoyed the process of this drawing and you can also give it a try. As we have drawn Stitch today, if you have any character in your mind you want me to draw, please write down their name in the comment box so in future we can draw them together. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for my future videos, and thank you so much for watching.